again. My name is Gabby. I'm the English HGI teacher at Marina Valley, and you should have already watched the videos for Performance Task 1 and 2. This is a video on the assessment, alternative assessment, or review that you'll have to do in lieu of the test. So it's pretty straightforward if you've done the first semester. If you haven't, I'll go over it with you. So section 1 is vocab, 3 points each. You have to provide a definition of the word in your own words. Don't steal other places. One synonym, right? So a word that means the same thing. And then you have to use it correctly in a sentence. So 3 things, 3 points. So absurdity is the first word, apparition, second word, brutal, third word, digress, fourth, obtuse, fifth, preconception, 6, reaped, 7, and rueful, 8. If you're an iCarly fan, you know rueful. Then there's grammar. Grammar is 2 points each. You're going to write your own example of the following. It's not asking for a definition. It's not asking for examples. Just one example. Subject, verb, agreement. So you want to show a subject and a verb that are in agreement there. And then pronoun, antecedent agreement. So you want to show me a pronoun that matches with an antecedent that are in agreement. Okay? The next one are concepts. Those are 2 points each. You want to explain and provide examples, two, of the following concepts. So dramatic monologue, tell me what that is. Give me a couple examples of what that would look like or what it is. Imagery, satire, personification, extended metaphors, and pastorals. Then next we have writing. These are worth 5 points each. So the first writing question says, read the excerpt from the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock. What does this passage show about why Prufrock is not married? What is his main problem? And I have known the arms already, known them all, arms that are braceleted and white and bare, but in the lamplight downed with light brown hair. It is perfume from a dress that makes me digress, arms that lie along a table or wrap about a shawl, and should I then presume, and how should I begin? So, try to figure out why Prufrock is not married based off of that excerpt, and try to tell me what his main problem is. 8. Read Old Age Sticks by Cummings. Paraphrase the poem, so that means put it into your own words. That might make it longer. And analyze the author's style. How does Cummings use his style to make a statement about society? Old age sticks. Up, keep, off. Signs and youth yanks them. Down, old. Age cries no. Tress and pass. Youth laughs, sing. Old age scolds, forbid. Din stop. Must, int, don't. And youth goes right on, owing old. I'm going to read that differently because that was painful for me. Old age sticks up, keep off signs. Youth yanks them down. Old age cries no trespass. Youth laughs. Sing old age scolds. Sing. Old age scolds. Forbidden stop. Mustn't. Don't. And youth goes right on. Growing old. Maybe that helps. And then that is it for 6. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, you are done with the first unit. Yay! Let's move on to Unit 7.